Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine today. Our subject is English, and today's topic is recognize capital and small formation of the given letter. Trace the small letter. Start with the small hook at the top, curving to the left. Add a straight line going down. Draw a horizontal line in the middle across the right. It look like this F. Now read the vocabulary words. F for fruit, F for fan, F for frog. Again repeat. F for fruit, F for fan, F for frog. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.